Hi. So today we're going to continue to talk about fluency and expression when we're reading and speaking. And today we're going to continue to work on question sentences. Okay, who can tell me what this is? Yes, this is a question mark. Very good. And where does a question mark go? At the end of a sentence. You were right. Okay, I have two sentences that I am going to read to you. Okay, the first one is, do you want to go to the store? Okay, it is a question. I just want a yes or no answer. And if you noticed, my voice went up towards the end. Okay, that's how you read yes or no sentences with question marks. Okay, and then the second one, what time is dinner? It is a question sentence too. Okay, so today we're going to continue to work on reading question sentences correctly. Now I want you to work with your partner, and I'm going to put a PowerPoint on the board behind me, and I want you and your partner to practice reading the 5 question sentences on the board. Okay, if you notice that your partner is struggling with reading question sentences, it is okay to help them and to help correct their pronunciation and fluency. Okay, now I want you to work with your partner and I want you to read these 5 question sentences. I'm going to give you 2 minutes to practice reading with your partner. Okay, who would like to share number 1? How did you read number 1? When does the movie start? Very good. I can tell that that is definitely a question sentence. Who would like to share number 2? Are you going to the football game? Very good. I could hear the change in your voice at the end of the sentence. When you have a question sentence that you can answer with yes or no, your voice rises at the end. You did an excellent job of the expression. Okay, now we're going to continue working on our reading fluency and expression, and we are going to read a reader's theater. And a reader's theater is just almost like a play or a script between characters. And so we are going to go to starfall.com and we are going to read the reader's theater named Guess Guess. Now that you're all with a partner and you have your Chromebook out to starfall.com, I'm going to show you how to locate the reader's theater. So you click on I'm reading and then 3 little plays, because remember, a reader's theater is like a play. Okay, you're going to go to the second one, Guess Guess. Okay, this is a play with 2 characters. Can anyone tell me who the characters are? Yes, it's a boy and a girl. Very good. So you and your partner, you have to decide who's going to be the boy and who's going to be the girl. Okay, now you click the arrow and you can begin reading the script. Okay, so if you're the boy, it tells you that you read these sentences. If you're the girl, you read these sentences. Okay, now in the reader's theater, you are going to see lots of questions. Okay, make sure that you really focus on reading them correctly. If you struggle to read a sentence, if you didn't know the word something, you can click on the ear and it will read it to you.
Is it something little? Is it something big?
Very good. And I noticed that the speaker has rising intonation. Her voice goes up at the top. Very good. So you just continue reading. And then when you're finished, I want you to go back to the very beginning. I want you to read it twice. It says the end, and then you go back and read it again. Because remember, the more you read, the more fluent you become. Okay, so everyone has a Chromebook and your partner. You may begin. Okay, raise your hand if you had a great time reading the Reader's Theater. I know I could tell you really enjoyed it. Okay, so as I was walking around the room, I really listened to your question sentences and you were doing a great job with that. Very good. Okay, I wanted to know if there was a group of partners that wanted to come up and share and wanted to read the Reader's Theater to us. Thank you. Okay, come on up. Now that we've read the Reader's Theater, Guess Guess, now I'm going to come around to you and your partner and I'm going to give you an object just like the characters had in the Reader's Theater. So here's some examples of things I may give you. I may give you a horse or a chair okay? Or a car, a basketball, or even a tomato. And the first thing I want you and your partner to do is to think of questions you could ask about your object. So, does it move? Is it large? Is it an animal? Is it breathing? So think of questions that you could ask about your object. And then you are going to write a Reader's Theater script with 2 characters, just like the one you read, and you are going to write questions in the script. And so after you're finished, you are going to read your new Reader's Theater to the class, and we are all going to try to guess your object, just like the guess that we read before. Okay, are there any questions? Okay, so I'm going to come around and give you your object, and then you and your partner may begin. Now, just like in the Reader's Theater, I'm looking for 5 question sentences in your script. So that's what I'm looking for. You may begin. I noticed that you are having a great time writing your new script with your partner. And I saw some of you hiding your objects so no one would know the object you had. So they had to figure it out when you read your script. Okay, so now that everyone's finished writing their script, I'm going to have each group of partners come up and you're going to read your script to the class. Okay, and after each partner performs their script, we're going to think about, did they have good fluency and expression reading their Reader's Theater? Did they read the question sentences correctly? And then your favorite part will be you're going to try to guess the object. Okay, I'm very proud of how hard you worked, and I can't wait to see you perform your Reader's Theater.